Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Tar browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tar official website, that is tarproject.org. Click on download or download, both are same. Click on either of them. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 143 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See, here we have the tar browser zip file. We have to unzip tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab to autofill entire zip file. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to the tar folder. See, here we have the start tar browser desktop file. We have to execute it. Don't run this with sudo or root account. /start, then press the tab to autofill enter file name. Hit enter. Hit a moment, it will be open. See, you got the tar browser. Now connect to tar. You have to click on connect or always if you want to connect. Then select this always connect automatically. Then click on connect. See, you have successfully connected. Okay, now verify the version. Go to these three horizontal bars, then help, then about tar browser. See, we have installed 15.0. It is based on Mozilla Firefox. And also see here the default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install tar browser latest version 15.0 on Debian operating systems. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.